Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add multiple blank lines in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add blank multiple line. Click inside the text box. Then go to the paragraph settings option and go to the tab settings, then select the default tab stop and we change it 4. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard. Then press enter again, press tab on our keyboard. Now we can see we add multiple blank line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.